Welcome to Learning Life Content. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and motivates us to bring you more fascinating and enriching stories. Imagine biting into a dish, savoring the complex layers of flavors that dance on your palate. You are instantly transported to another place and time where the flavors tell intricate stories of distant lands and rich, vibrant histories. These are stories of ancient traditions, meticulously passed down through countless generations, each adding their own touch. They whisper of bustling markets filled with exotic spices, the air thick with the aroma of freshly ground herbs, and family gatherings brimming with love and laughter. Food is a universal language, a bridge that connects diverse cultures and brings people together in a shared experience. It connects us to the past, to the hands that prepared meals with care and devotion, preserving the essence of their heritage. It introduces us to different cultures, each with its unique flavors, culinary secrets and time-honored techniques. Every ingredient has a history, a story of the land it came from, nurtured by the sun and soil. Every spice has a journey, from the fields where it was harvested to the bustling markets and finally to your plate, adding depth and character to each dish. Every dish has a tale to tell, a blend of flavors that speak of its origin, crafted with skill and passion. From the humble grain of rice, a staple in many cultures, providing sustenance and comfort, to the fiery chili pepper, adding heat, depth and a burst of vibrant color to countless dishes. Food is more than mere sustenance. It is a celebration of life, heritage and the shared human experience. It is a cultural treasure, a testament to human creativity, connection and the enduring spirit of culinary artistry. This culinary journey takes us around the globe, inviting us to savor the diverse flavors and aromas that define our world. We will delve into the iconic dishes that are the pride of nations, each with its own unique story and heritage. We will uncover their deep cultural significance, from grand festive celebrations to cherished everyday rituals that bring people together. We will discover how these foods reflect the values, traditions and stories of their countries, passed down through generations. Food is a window into a culture's soul, revealing its essence and spirit through the ingredients and techniques used. It reveals its history, its geography, and its people's creativity, shaped by centuries of tradition and innovation. From the bustling streets of Bangkok, where street food vendors serve up vibrant flavors, to the sun-drenched hills of Tuscany, where local dishes are paired with scenic views, each bite tells a story. Each region offers a unique culinary adventure, a testament to its rich cultural tapestry, woven with the threads of history, tradition and innovation. Too often we consume food without a second thought, not pausing to consider the rich tapestry of history and culture that each dish represents. We miss the intricate cultural narratives and the profound stories woven into each bite, stories that have been passed down through generations. Take a moment to appreciate the origins of your next meal, from the farmer who harvested the crops to the chef who skillfully prepared it. Think about the hands that prepared it, the meticulous care and effort that went into every step of the process. Reflect on the generations who perfected the recipe, each adding their own touch and preserving the essence of their heritage. Food is a bridge that connects us to the past, a tangible link to our ancestors and their way of life. It reminds us of the ingenuity and resourcefulness of our ancestors, who used what was available to create nourishing and delicious meals. It encourages us to preserve these traditions for future generations, to keep the flame of our culinary heritage alive. Each dish carries a story of migration, adaptation and survival, reflecting the journeys and struggles of those who came before us. Spices and ingredients traveled across continents, shaping cuisines and creating a melting pot of flavors and techniques. Festivals and rituals often revolve around these cherished recipes, celebrating the bounty of the land and the skill of the cook. They are a testament to our shared human experience and cultural exchange, a reminder of the interconnectedness of our world through the universal language of food. Italy, a country synonymous with romance, art, and of course the culinary delight that is pasta. This seemingly simple dish, crafted from just flour and water, holds an incredibly special place in the hearts of Italians. Pasta making is not just a culinary activity, it is a cherished tradition often done meticulously by hand, just as it was centuries ago. This art is lovingly passed down through generations, with grandmothers or nonnas teaching their grandchildren the intricate techniques of pasta making. Families gather around the kitchen table to knead, shape and share this beloved food, creating bonds and memories that last a lifetime. Each region of Italy boasts its own unique pasta shapes and sauces, reflecting the local ingredients, history and culture of the area. From the long, flat strands of tagliatelle, which are said to be inspired by the golden hair of Lucrezia Borgia, to the delicate ear-shaped orecchiette, which originated in the sun-drenched region of Puglia, each variety tells a rich story of its region's culture, traditions, and the people who have lovingly crafted it through the ages. Japan's sushi, an art of precision and freshness. Sushi, a culinary art form that has been perfected over centuries, it requires an extraordinary level of precision, unparalleled skill, and the freshest ingredients available. Japan's deep reverence for nature is beautifully evident in this exquisite dish. Sushi chefs dedicate many years, often decades, to mastering their intricate craft. They respect the delicate balance of flavors and textures, ensuring each piece is a harmonious blend. The vibrant colors and minimalist presentation of sushi are a testament to the refined Japanese aesthetics. This dish is not just a meal, it is an immersive experience that engages all the senses. The precision in knife techniques ensures each slice of fish is perfect, contributing to the overall excellence of the dish. Freshness is paramount, with ingredients often sourced daily from local markets to guarantee the highest quality. Sushi is deeply rooted in Japanese culture, reflecting a profound harmony between food, tradition, and the natural world. Mexico's tacos, a culinary emblem of heritage. Tacos, a staple in Mexican cuisine. These delightful creations are more than just food. They're a testament to the country's rich and diverse culinary heritage. They represent the country's rich culinary heritage, passed down through generations, each taco telling a story of tradition and culture. The warm tortillas, made from corn, are a symbol of Mexico's ancient roots, reflecting the agricultural practices of the indigenous people who cultivated maize thousands of years ago. The fillings are a celebration of diverse flavors and ingredients, ranging from succulent meats to fresh vegetables, each bite offering a unique taste experience. From slow-cooked barbacoa, which is traditionally prepared in an underground pit, to the spicy and flavorful al pastor, tacos offer a taste of Mexico's vibrant and varied culinary landscape. They are best enjoyed with friends and family, bringing people together through the love of food, fostering a sense of community and shared joy. Mexican cuisine is deeply intertwined with festive celebrations like Dia de los Muertos and Cinco de Mayo, where food plays a central role in the festivities. These events showcase a variety of traditional dishes, each telling a story of Mexico's rich history and cultural diversity, making every meal a journey through time and tradition. Morocco's tagine, a symphony of spices and slow cooking. The tagine, a culinary icon of Morocco, revered for its unique cooking method and the rich, flavorful dishes it produces. It embodies the country's rich culinary traditions passed down through generations, each adding their own touch to this timeless dish. The conical clay pot, also called a tagine, is more than just cookware. It is an essential part of Moroccan culture and cuisine. It is a symbol of hospitality and communal dining, bringing families and friends together around a shared meal. The tagine's slow cooking method allows the flavors of spices, meats and vegetables to meld together, creating a harmonious blend of tastes and aromas. Each bite is an explosion of aromas and tastes, a testament to the careful preparation and the quality of ingredients used. Moroccan cuisine is renowned for its intricate use of spices like saffron, cumin and cinnamon, each adding its own unique flavor and aroma to the dish. These spices are carefully blended and ground to create a symphony of flavors, a delicate balance that enhances the natural taste of the ingredients. The slow cooking process ensures that each ingredient releases its essence, creating a rich and aromatic dish that is both satisfying and nourishing. The result is a sensory experience that delights the palate and warms the soul, a true celebration of Moroccan culinary artistry. India's diverse flavors, A journey for the senses, Indian cuisine. It's a symphony of flavors and aromas, a true feast for the senses. It is a testament to the country's diverse cultures and regions, each contributing its unique touch to the culinary landscape. From the fiery curries of the south, bursting with heat and intensity, to the rich, buttery dishes of the north, enveloped in creamy, luxurious sauces, Indian food is an adventure for the senses, a journey that tantalizes the taste buds and delights the soul. Spices are the heart of Indian cooking, the very essence that breathes life into each dish. They are used not just for flavor, but to create a symphony of tastes that dance on the palate, but also for their medicinal properties, revered for centuries in traditional practices. This holistic approach to food reflects India's ancient Ayurvedic traditions, where food is seen as both nourishment and medicine. The vibrant colors, the rich textures, and the tantalizing aromas create a sensory journey like no other, an experience that lingers long after the meal is over. Each bite is a burst of flavor, a dance of spices that leaves a lasting impression, a memory etched in the heart and soul. Middle Eastern cuisine, a celebration of sharing and community. Middle Eastern cuisine is a vibrant tapestry of flavors and traditions. It is renowned for its warmth, generosity, and the deep-rooted emphasis on sharing. Dishes like hummus, with its creamy texture and rich flavor, and falafel, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, and baba ganoush, a smoky and savory eggplant dip, are designed to be enjoyed communally. The act of sharing food transcends mere sustenance. It is a cherished tradition that brings people together, fostering bonds and nurturing relationships. The communal nature of these meals is a testament to the cultural importance of togetherness, as it brings individuals closer, encouraging heartfelt conversations and meaningful connections. It cultivates a profound sense of community and unity, making every meal not just a feast, but a celebration of life, love, and shared experiences. France's bread culture, the iconic baguette, the baguette, a symbol of France embodying the essence of French culinary tradition and daily life. This long, crusty loaf is a staple on French tables, enjoyed by families across the nation during meals. Originating in the early 20th century, the baguette quickly became a daily essential, cherished for its simplicity and flavor. The baguette is more than just bread, it is a cultural artifact, a testament to the French way of life. It is an art form, meticulously crafted by skilled bakers who have honed their techniques over generations. French bakers take great pride in their craft, dedicating their lives to perfecting the baguette. They use time-honored techniques passed down through generations to create the perfect baguette with a golden crust and soft interior. The baguette's history is intertwined with French culture, representing simplicity, tradition, and the everyday life of the French people. It is a daily ritual, a cultural icon, and a symbol of French identity, seen in the hands of Parisians as they stroll through markets and cafes. A culinary adventure awaits. Our culinary journey has taken us across numerous continents, from the bustling street markets of Asia to the serene countryside kitchens of Europe, each offering a unique and vibrant culinary experience. We have delved into the cultural significance of iconic dishes, each one telling its own unique story and heritage, passed down through generations and cherished by communities. We have uncovered the fascinating stories behind the food we eat, learning from passionate chefs and locals who generously share their culinary secrets and traditions with us. Food is more than just sustenance. It is a bridge that connects us to different cultures and traditions, fostering a sense of community and belonging. It is a powerful tool for cultural exchange and understanding, bringing people together in celebration of diversity and allowing us to appreciate the rich tapestry of human experience. By immersing ourselves in the culinary traditions of other cultures, we broaden our horizons and gain new perspectives, enriching our own lives in the process. We develop a deeper appreciation for the world's rich tapestry of flavors and traditions, inspired by the myriad global influences that shape our culinary adventure, and leaving us with unforgettable memories and newfound respect for the diversity of our world. Share your culinary journey. What are your favorite culinary traditions? Dive deep into your heritage and explore the rich, diverse flavors that define your culture. Think about the recipes passed down through generations, the secret ingredients, and the unique cooking methods that make your dishes special. What dishes hold special meaning for you? Share the stories behind these cherished dishes and the precious memories they evoke. Reflect on the occasions when these meals were prepared, the loved ones who shared them with you, and the emotions they bring to the surface. Share your stories and recipes with the world. Inspire others with your culinary creations and the unique twists you bring to traditional dishes. Whether it's a modern take on a classic recipe or a completely new invention, your contributions can spark creativity and passion in others. Let's continue to explore the world through food. Experiment with new ingredients and techniques to expand your culinary horizons. Attend cultural festivals, visit local markets, and engage with chefs from different backgrounds to broaden your understanding and appreciation of global cuisines. Together we can keep these culinary traditions alive. Encourage your friends and family to join you on this flavorful journey. Host cooking parties, share meals, and celebrate the rich tapestry of flavors that make our world so wonderfully diverse. Thank you for watching Learning Life Content. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and motivates us to bring you more fascinating and enriching stories.